Namaste, everyone, fellow Arhatic yogis. This is to invite you to the Arhatic Yoga International Retreat in Prague, at the Czech Republic. And the date is 23 to 26 of October, 2026. Yeah. Prague is a wonderful city, beautiful city. And it's actually famous as a place for esoteric students and alchemists. It's known for energy vortices, where people do their practices. Master Cha actually recommended certain books written by an author known as Franz Baldon. Baldon is supposed to be from Prague, Republic. So, anyway, we wish to invite you to attend the retreat. We will be joined by Master Stephen for this retreat. And, students from all over Europe and different other countries. Hope to see you there. Have fun. Namaste.